Today's Capital Market Day provided us the perfect opportunity to demonstrate how we are moving into sustainable, profitable growth. It also gave us the opportunity to update the 2024 outlook, which was adjusted and revised as part of the Stork acquisition. This was very well received by the capital market participants. The other subject that we introduced is how we focus on cash flow after having completed the efficiency program and a functional organization. Now we're in a position to also work on the cash flow by improving our working capital management. We summarized the Capital Markets Day by showing how we are moving into sustainable, profitable growth and how much potential there is beyond our midterm targets.
The world is getting more and more complex. We have a shortage of labor, we have higher regulations, we have energy shortage, and that means it's getting more and more complex for our clients. That also means the clients are focusing on those things which they can best, and they are more and more open to outsource of those non-core businesses which they're running. And this is the huge advantage that Bilfinger has to benefit from those trends related to outsourcing.
As a relationship manager for LBBW, the Capital Markets Day is always a great opportunity to meet the whole management team, the treasury team, or other interesting employees of Bilfinger. It brings us a lot of more information about the future of the company and where the process industry will be in the future and how Bilfinger can help them to reduce their emissions, to be more sustainable, and to go through these challenging times we have right now in the world. What is the most impressive for me is that the strategy, it's not only growth, it's more sustainable growth. That means the projects which are taken are not always just the project to make monies. You have more insights now to focus on profitability, and that is a really interesting fact that the growth is more sustainable, and which was proven the last 2 years.
So what you could see is, with respect to our team, which was here today, we trust in each other. It's a great collaboration. It's really a team. We invest in people. What we do is a people business, and competence development is key for our success.
So Bilfinger support the energy transition by providing different technology like carbon capture, hydrogen, battery, wind, and we have also a comprehensive net zero approach which supports our clients in finding the best solution to reach their targets.
Innovation and digitalization processes are, of course, deeply embedded across the entire product portfolio. For maintenance, for instance, this means that we can monitor, collect, and analyze maintenance data at different sites and then generate predictive maintenance for our customers. And of course, currently we are exploring the ways to introduce AI to this process to increase the efficiency even more.
In many of our markets, we already are able to offer a lot of different services, and that makes us unique. But then on top of that, we are combining these services into meaningful solutions to increase the efficiency and the sustainability of our clients. And we are developing more and more of such solutions, which brings us on a very different level when we talk to our clients. And that makes us unique, and this is also how we benefit then from the outsourcing.
It's a great momentum which we really can use for our customers, for the employees, and the people could feel and see that today. And that makes me very proud.